Middleweight Sport Touring Motorcycles Triumph Tiger Sport 660 Review, Light, Fast, and Fun. The Triumph Tiger Sport 660 has quickly emerged as one of the most exciting options in the middleweight sport touring motorcycle segment. Combining lightweight agility, a character-rich engine, and long-distance practicality, the Tiger Sport 660 strikes a fine balance between everyday usability and weekend performance. But does it live up to the hype of being light, fast, and fun? Based on rider feedback and YouTube buzz, it certainly does. Launched as Triumph's entry-level adventure sport model, the Tiger Sport 660 is built on the same platform as the Trident 660, utilizing a 660 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder engine that produces 81 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque. That triple-cylinder layout gives the bike a unique personality, torquey at low revs, punchy in the mid-range, and smooth up top, making it incredibly versatile for urban rides and highway cruising alike. Despite being the smallest member of the Tiger family, the 660 is impressively well-equipped. It features a ride-by-wire throttle, switchable traction control, and 2 riding modes, road and rain. A full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, optional quickshifter, and integrated luggage options elevate its touring capabilities. What sets the Tiger Sport 660 apart is its light and agile chassis. With a curb weight of just 206 kilograms, it feels nimble in city traffic and confident through the curves. The upright ergonomics, plush seat, and adjustable windscreen provide genuine comfort for longer journeys, making this bike not just sporty, but tour-ready. The 17-liter fuel tank offers a realistic range of over 300 kilometers, and the suspension, although non-adjustable, is tuned for real-world roads. Paired with Nissan brakes and Michelin Road 5 tires, the Tiger Sport 660 handles predictably in both dry and wet conditions. YouTube Spotlight, enthusiastic reception worldwide. The Tiger Sport 660 has been a hot topic among moto reviewers on YouTube, where its balance of price, performance, and style has earned widespread praise. Fortnine's Is This the Perfect Beginner Tourer? Review has passed 1 million views, highlighting the bike's friendliness and triple-engine character. MCN's long-distance ride test drew over 800k views, emphasizing its ability to handle daily duties and weekend escapes. Motobob's in-depth breakdown hit 750k views, praising the Tiger 660's tech features and fun-to-ride nature. The Missenden Flyer called it a perfect all-rounder, especially for those moving up from 300 to 500 cubic centimeters machines. These videos reinforce the Tiger Sport 660's reputation as one of the most well-rounded sport tourers under 700 cubic centimeters. Conclusion: a lightweight sport touring star. The Triumph Tiger Sport 660 isn't just a smart entry into the Triumph lineup, it's a serious contender for anyone seeking a motorcycle that's fun, fast, and ready for touring. With its refined triple-cylinder engine, practical ergonomics, and standout tech, it brings premium performance into an approachable package. Whether commuting, canyon carving, or crossing countries, the Tiger Sport 660 is proof that sport touring doesn't need to be heavy to be serious.